Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ashton Woods, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with Ashton Woods, visit their official website. Look for the register or sign up button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on the button to be directed to the registration form. You will be prompted to enter personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Fill in each section carefully to ensure accuracy. Next, create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Make sure to include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Review the terms and conditions provided on the page. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Proceed by clicking the Submit or Register button at the bottom of the form. Look for a confirmation message that indicates your registration was successful. Check your email for a confirmation link from Ashton Woods. Open the email and click on the link to verify your account. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once your email is verified, you can log into your account using your registered email and password. Explore the Ashton Woods portal to access various resources and tools available to registered users. That completes the registration process with Ashton Woods. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.